In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for issues in Jira. Navigating through Jira to find specific issues can sometimes be daunting if you're not familiar with the platform's interface or where to start. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable searching and filtering issues with ease. First, let's start by heading over to Jira by opening your preferred web browser and logging into your Jira account. Once logged in, take a look at your screen. You'll notice the Jira dashboard, a central hub that gives you a bird's eye view of your projects and tasks. This is where we begin our search journey. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Filters option. Click on it. The filter section of Jira is critical as it helps you narrow down your search by specifying particular parameters or characteristics of the issues you're looking for. After clicking on Filters, you'll see an option labeled Search. Click on Search Work Items, and you'll find yourself in the search interface where you can dig deeper into the specifics of the issues. Here, you'll notice a search bar towards the top of the page. This is where you can input keywords or specific terms to quickly find issues. Maybe you're looking for tasks associated with a particular feature. You can type that feature's name to see what comes up. The search bar is a powerful tool that can save you significant time by bringing relevant results directly to you. If you'd like to refine your search further, you can take advantage of other filter options provided. You can filter by project, which means specifying a particular project within which your issues might be located. This is especially useful if you're working on multiple projects and want to minimize cross-project confusion. Another useful filter is assignee. Here you can filter issues assigned to different team members, which is perfect for when you want to check the progress of specific colleagues. This filter is crucial for managers or team leads who need to keep track of workloads. You also have the type filter available, allowing you to sort issues by their type, such as bug, task, or epic. This can streamline your workflow dramatically if you're focusing on a specific type of task. Moving on, the status filter will help you identify issues based on their current status in the workflow, whether they're open, in progress, or closed. This can be invaluable for prioritizing tasks that need immediate attention. Lastly, for even more specific searches, there's the More Filters option, which offers a range of advanced parameters. Through this, you can delve into even finer details and customize your search experience to fit exactly what you're looking for. By utilizing these strategies, Jira can become a much more manageable and effective tool for project management. Practice these steps, and soon you'll be navigating Jira like a pro. Happy searching!